Hello everyone, I am Mr. Rene, and today I want to share with you a small tip in Excel, how to convert amounts in figures to amounts in words. If this is helpful to you, by the end of this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you receive videos subsequently on tips that we share. I have created a little table here. If I type 300, the amount in words appears on the right. Now this is in France CFA. So this workbook contains a VBA module which enables you to convert the amount in figures to amount in words. Excel normally doesn't come with this feature. So you don't need to have knowledge of the VBA. All you need to do is to use this particular workbook. And the function you need to use in this workbook, I'll write it at the bottom, is the spell number function. It's the spell number function. If I come down here and I press equal to spell number, the function comes out. And then when I put a cell reference to the amount in figures and close my brackets, it gives me the amount in words in France CFA. What you need to do is to use this workbook, because this workbook already has a VBA function that enables it to run the spell number function. So if you have a workbook where you need to convert figures into words, copy all the sheets of the workbook into this workbook and you'll be able to use the spell number function. If we try longer amounts, I already imputed the spell number function to the right. That's why when I just fill the amount here, it automatically generates itself here. If I put in more detailed amounts like 235,689, it gives me the equivalent in words. If I put 1,240,509, good. So I can still do this by myself at the bottom here. All I need to do is to launch the spell number function like any other function, and I click on whichever amount in figures I want to convert to words, and I click enter and it converts. And with any sheet that I use in this workbook, if I type 450,000 here, I can launch the spell number function and it gives me the amount in words at any time. So if I press Command N and go to a new workbook, for example, and if I launch the spell number function here, the spell number function does not appear here because the VBA function that is in that workbook is not in this workbook. So to easily convert your numbers in figures to numbers in words, all you need to do is download that workbook and then you copy your sheets from the workbook you're using into the workbook in the description. You'll be able to use the spell number function easily as the module is already in this workbook and you will not need to exhaust any knowledge at all of VBA. So that is the simple method we have prepared for you to be able to convert your figures into words. And if this video was helpful, like I said in the beginning, give us some assistance by a thumbs up and a subscription. Click on the notification button to get new videos from us, and we hope to see you next time. Have a blessed day.